Hey, is your battery died? It's almost dark outside. Seems like a pretty bad girlfriend. You just want me to jumpstart you?
We are going to have a look at how this portable car jump starter made 3.25 million in the last 30 days on TikTok Shop.
It's almost dark. Yeah, that's fine. Just pull your car over. Oh, what's up? Bring your car closer.
I'm going to walk you through what this top TikTok Shop affiliate that generated 640,000 in revenue in the last 30 days.
Yeah, but go ahead and crank your car up, dude. If it's for battery, it should start up.
We're going to walk the video ad that they did exactly, look at how they put it together and how they managed to win.
And if you're new here, my name is Victor. I use my experience as a marketing project manager to share what's working in e-commerce, AI, and affiliate marketing right now. So if that sounds like your vibe, there's a subscribe button somewhere on the screen.
Okay, so before we jump into the good stuff, let's talk about the product, have a look at some numbers here, and then we'll get things moving along. Firstly, the product is a portable car jump starter with a couple of additional features on top as well. Tire inflator, obviously car battery jump starter, 15,000 milliamp power bank with LED light. So really useful for someone who drives cars. We all know how much of a pain it can be when your car loses battery literally in the middle of nowhere and you've got to make those annoying phone calls to try and get some help. The selling price for the product, $55.99. Commission rate for TikTok Shop affiliates is 12%. You sell a unit of this on behalf of this shop, you're going to get 12% off that revenue. We're going to circle back into how much this dude made from that in just a second here. We can see in terms of their core metrics, 3.25 million in the last 30 days, which is absolutely crushing it. They sold 97.7k units, absolutely smashed it out the park. The average unit price again is $33.24, which means obviously taking into account any deals, any sales that they do, it kind of fluctuates between that and that standard price, which is $55. Decent amount of live revenue, 179,000 out of that 3.25 million. But in terms of the biggest source of their revenue, when we talk strategy, most of the money they made came from video revenue, which is your typical standard UGC on-demand video ads. These are the ones where you pick up your phone, film yourself and upload it onto TikTok, as opposed to standing there live, interacting, talking with people and getting sales that way. Live works, but it works for certain types of products. Clearly, this is not the type of product where the customer base are going to want to sit there live, listen to you talking for ages and make the purchase decision. These are people that are happy to just watch a video, get convinced and buy the product. And again, we're talking about most likely adults, moms, dads, young adults, older adults that are of that driving age. Product card brought in $936 as well, so pretty decent. But if we scroll a little bit further down, we can also see, very interestingly, and this is what we're going to jump into in just a sec here, content creators or TikTok Shop affiliates that have been crushing it promoting this product on TikTok Shop. And we can see here this guy, which we're going to look at the video that they did in just a second here. They made 640,000 in the last 30 days. They sold 19,000 units. So they sold the most units for this shop here. Absolutely smashed it out of the park. What is it that they're doing correctly? What's working for them? What is it that we can copy and use within our own strategy to hopefully make similar numbers or make some kind of sales to start us off in the new year coming up in just a second? So this is the man of the moment right here. Drew Finds Cars. They've obviously made a huge chunk of commission promoting this product, as we mentioned earlier. So just a quick scan through their performance here. They started overall on TikTok Shop using this account on the 10th of March 2025. Relatively small account in the bigger scheme of things. 25,300 followers. Remember, on TikTok Shop, you don't need a huge amount of followers in order to absolutely crush it when it comes to revenue. Accounts that have 1,000 followers can sometimes make more money than accounts that have hundreds of thousands of followers. It's not about the follower count. It's all about whether you can sell these products and whether you can work smartly or not. Looking at their core numbers here, overall on products that they've promoted, not just this product, they made 1.1 million in the last 30 days. Again, remember, this is revenue overall. This is not the commission that they took home. They don't do any live sessions or didn't do any live sessions in the last 30 days at all. So yeah, pretty decent video views here. Now, it's also worth mentioning before we go back and listen to the actual video that they've done here in just a second, there was some ad spend that helped push this video as well. So it made this much in the last 30 days. These are the views. But I wanted to mention they did have some ad spend behind this, but Basically, the shop invested some money and the return on ad spend was just under 5%. So basically, for every dollar that the store spent, they got $5 back. So really good investment and obviously really good opportunity for them to make some money here. These are the numbers. We can see here that 5.8% of the views that he received was from ads, and we can see the ad spend was 78,140. So 4.5% return on ad spend. Again, every dollar that's spent on ads, the shop got $5 back, which is just absolutely crazy. The video was published on the 24th of November as well. So at the time of recording this particular video, it's under a month. So if you are looking to make those extra dollars to start off in 2026, why not use this opportunity, which is TikTok Shop? Remember, we were saying not long ago that TikTok Shop was going to get banned potentially in the USA. And yeah, clearly, is it going to get banned? And if it is, how many people are going to cry tears? Because you can see how much money people are making currently. So I just wanted to look at those metrics there. Let's have a look at the video and just see what exactly is working for this dude. Again, debuted on the 24th of November, 2025. That's when they uploaded the video for the first time on TikTok. And we can also see here the advertising period, which is actually quite cool to see this here, was from the 24th of November 2025 up until the 1st of December 2025. For a huge chunk of the time that the video was live, it was all just organic push from the algorithm that was getting the rest of those views. The shop just gave them a boost when they saw that the algorithm was favoring their content initially, and the rest was history, as they say. 1 minute 52 seconds long video, decently long video, but clearly these types of videos, we have to ask ourselves, are these the types of videos that work for this market, for these types of products? Maybe that is the case looking at the data here, but let's play the video and see what we can learn. By the way, if you're enjoying the video so far, thank you. Don't forget to smash the like button. It may be a small thing for you, but it means a huge deal for the channel. Thanks again.
Is this dude broken down? Yo, dude, y'all good? Yeah. Oh wait, is your battery dead? Yeah, battery died.
I'm seeing a lot of these videos on TikTok Shop, and I do hundreds of these case studies per year. It's not someone talking to the camera. Yes, that does work as well, but a lot of the time it's just skits. It's just people that are making it look like, oh, I was doing something else and I've just come across this situation. Let me open the door to that experience for you as the viewer as well, so you can see what we can pick up from this, and let me tell you the story of how this went on. As a viewer, you know that this is going to be some kind of TikTok Shop video or ad a lot of the time, but still you're curious. What's going on? What this looks like any normal type of video clip. Let me see what's going on, and that's what causes you to spend or to watch for over that first 3 seconds, which is what the TikTok algorithm loves.
Is this dude broken down? Yo, dude, y'all good? Yeah. Hey, is your battery? Battery died. It's almost dark outside. Seems like a pretty bad girlfriend. You just want me to jumpstart you?
Yes, you're right. It's almost dark. Yeah, that's fine. Spoil your car over. Oh,
What's up?
to bring your car closer. My jumbo cables are not going to reach your car.
Oh, you only need one car with this. Portable car jump starter.
I don't know, bro. I might just wait for my girlfriend because she usually.
So I can't hear what the dude is saying in the background, but what our man is saying behind the camera is, what I'm getting is, and let me know in the comments if I'm getting this completely wrong, but he's simplifying the solution. He's saying, hey, you're only going to need just this box to jumpstart your car, because the dude that has the battery flat is saying, no, it's fine. I've got covered. I'm going to hitch a ride, or I can do something. I'll find a way to resolve this without troubling you, stranger. Stay where you are. You're good. Carry on with the day. But our kind behind the cameras, no, it's okay. Don't worry. This is not going to take a huge amount of messing around, song and dance. All I need is just this tiny little box to help you out with this situation, which is straight away linking back to one of the key features for this particular product. You don't need a huge suitcase or box that's heavy that you need to drag around to fix this issue. You just need this tiny little box.
That's this part, and I don't want to mess it up.
Oh, bro, chill. It's super easy. All we gotta do is connect the positive to the positive,
Okay.
and then the negative to the negative after that.
How do I know if I even connected it right? Because I don't want to blow up my car.
You see this little green light right here? That means it's all good to go. If you were to go wrong, for example, cut the power. So you're not gonna blow up your car. That's a
Really?
safety feature.
If you are wanting to test this out, I have got a link in the description where you can get it on something like next day delivery on Amazon. It's entirely up to you. You don't have to use that option. There's many other ways you can acquire this product. You can see if you can get it as a free sample on TikTok Shop and so forth. But if you are wanting to get it in your hands and test out as quickly as possible, again, I will leave a link in the pinned comment or in the description somewhere. So he's going through the features. He's demonstrating how it works without coming back to us, the viewer, and saying, by the way, you can click this link in the description or whatever. There's no sales element to this video. Anyway, he is definitely going to mention at some point to get this card. This dude needs to click a link somewhere in the description or whatever, but that's not happened yet. And I think that's the beauty of videos like this. They're not in your face, they're not pushy. It's just like watching a clip on social media. Nothing feels salesy about it. To me, I feel like that's what's working for these people.
Yeah, but go ahead and click your car up, dude. If it's a battery, it should start up.
All right, dude. Let's see if that's what.
All right, moment of truth.
Oh my gosh. Well, now we got it started. Come look at this, bro. I have a
What?
freaking low tire pressure.
Dang, bro, your dash looks like a Christmas tree,
Bro.
But good thing it's also an air compressor too, so we can start the tire.
All right. It should be
This tire right here. So all we gotta do now.
So he's solved one problem for him and now he's moving on and resolving a completely different problem. Also tying back to a second feature of this box. Remember, it does a number of different things. It helps you with your tires. It restarts your battery. It's also got a lighter on it as well. It's got a bunch of different things that it can do for you. So really clever way to sell those features without selling those features, if that makes sense.
Just connect to the valve stem. Then it says your PSI is 35. It's a little low, so we're gonna set 37 and click the power button twice. It gets like that, so to refill your tire.
Bro, I also love how it cut it off at 37 flow. Bro, I'm never gonna have to pay for gas station air again. That's crazy. How much? What is this though?
That's actually a
So we've helped you with your battery power. We've helped you with your tire pressure.
road side assistance sign. So if you hold on this button right here, it has a white, red flashing, and blue flashing. Whenever you flip it over, we're even getting UVS and UVS-C ports too, so you can charge your phone in a pinch.
Bro, this is crazy, bro. I need to get one of these for all my family members. But how much is it? Like bucks?
No, bro, not even close.
This is such an old school way of doing this, honestly. And it works. It absolutely works. He's leading us from the features of the product. Here's the problem. Here's the solution. Here are the different features. Oh, you can also do this with it. You can switch on this light. You can charge your phone. Your car breaks down at the worst possible times. Your phone battery is low. You didn't think this was going to happen to you. And here we are. So again, really clever way to lead us through the different features. And now the guy is saying, yeah, I want to get this for a couple of people in my family now that I know about it, but it probably costs like 80, 100 bucks. And now it's going to hit him with, oh no, it's actually much cheaper than that. You can get it by clicking on somewhere on the screen.
Less than 40 with free shipping on TikTok right now, but in a few days. So if you guys want to check them out for you or any of your family members, I'll put the link to them right on.
Bro, I don't know what to tell you. Really simple, really smooth, really old-fashioned way of doing these types of video ads. It's not polished, it's not highly produced, you know, it's overly simplified, if you will. And the audio, you can barely hear it, but you hear it just enough to understand what's going on. Filmed on a phone, obviously it would have been planned and they know each other and they were like, yeah, let's do this. But you can imagine that happening to you, and that's the layer of authenticity that TikTok is bringing to the marketplace as opposed to these other places like Amazon and eBay and Instagram. There's that skit element, and it's going back to the roots of TikTok, right? If you've been using TikTok pretty much since it started, one of the biggest things or one of the biggest trends you'd see on TikTok were skits. People were coming to TikTok to watch these skits and laugh their bottoms off and enjoy themselves. And it's going back to those roots now and saying, okay, let's give you a skit, but we've got a sale, we've got an offer at the end of this skit, and something works. My man here generated, again, if I go back onto the page here, so with this particular video, he brought in $578,650 in revenue in the last 30 days. We said the product offers a commission of 12%. So if I bring up my trusty calculator and go back onto this page here, because I've got a horrible memory. So 578,650. So we said 578, and if we multiply that by 12%, you've probably already got the answer. $69,000 is how much they ended up taking home as commission from promoting this product on TikTok. Now, if you are wanting to test this out, I have got a link in the description where you can purchase it and get it on next day delivery on Amazon. It's entirely up to you. You don't have to use that option. There's many other ways you can acquire this product. You can see if you can get it as a free sample on TikTok Shop and so forth. But if you are wanting to get it in your hands and test out as quickly as possible, again, I will leave a link in the pinned comment or in the description somewhere. But yeah, don't know what your thoughts are, but absolutely crazy case study. I just wanted to quickly bring to you guys and let me know what your thoughts